Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Sagittarius, this is your channel song. I say you'll be there, giving you everything. Shut the fuck up and let me sing. Last time that we had this conversation, I decided we should be friends. Hey, but now we're going round in circles. Tell me when this deja vu ever ends. Oh, but now you tell me that you're falling in love, and I never ever thought that could be. Hey, this time you gotta take it easy, throwing far too much emotions at me. But any fool could see we're falling. I gotta make you understand. I'm giving you everything all my joy could bring. Yes, I swear, yes, I swear. All that I want from you is a promise to we'll be there. Say we'll be there. I'll say you will be there. I want to say you with me. Sagittarius, if you put two and two together, you would see what our friendship is for. Oh, if you can work this equation, then I guess I better show you the door. It's okay, Sagittarius. If you can't work the equation, it's okay. Me never get maths in a Caribbean examination council, so it's okay, sweetie. I will accept the part of you that I could not complete in me. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Oh my God! If you could have one meal for the rest of your life, what would it be? It would be chicken biryani. Chicken biryani, yes, for the rest of your life. Oh, the rest of your life. If you could only have one meal, it would be chicken biryani? No, not chicken biryani. What would it be? Only one dish? Yes. For the rest of your life, yes. Chicken biryani. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. You're unreasonable, you fucking racist carrot. You fucking racist carrot. You're a racist carrot. You fucking racist carrot. Go ahead and go into your reading. What is your focus, Sagittarius? We got the Queen of Wands coming out first. Sagittarius, this could very well be you. Alright? So your focus is you. You! Soldier Boy, I told him, right? Your focus is on you, like how Soldier Boy focuses on himself. Listen, at the end of the day, I can fuck off with both of y'all bitches and still get pussy. Okay, that's true, but wasn't you asking me to come over your house so I could suck your dick? Yes, thank you. I would never thank a hoe. Hoe, bitch, your man keeps texting me. Yeah, because he doesn't listen to me to stop texting you. Bitch. Okay, so I'm getting you focused on yourself, okay? That's where it should be. You focus on your looks, attending to your plans, and just being beautiful. I'm getting you love being a single, beautiful woman. You love being single and that no man can take credit for making you this beautiful. There's something about independence that brings you sexual power. What's your advice? The Lover's card. Yeah. Something about independence that brings you sexual power. Getting a light that you can look so good and so pretty and so sexy without a man helping you. And I'm getting you're saying to yourself, if the man not help me to get sexy, if he's not helping me to look my beautifulness, why would I lay down with him? You supposed to want, you say you like me, you say you like me, you're supposed to want to see me in the best of the best. You're supposed to want to see my nails done. You're supposed to want to see my hair done. Or you don't want to see that, you just want to see how fast I can make it come. Well, that's why you ain't getting no pussy. I'm getting you love the fact that you can't afford what you can buy for yourself and you can just look pretty and you walk down the road and a man just a lust off of you and you're like, sweetie, you're not my, believe me. You're barking up the wrong tree. I'm getting a lot of the attention from the men, but I'm getting it takes a specifically type of rock. It takes a specific type of man to actually know how to attend to you. Cause I'm getting it just look good, and I'm getting men are like, how can you be single? And you're like, cause I don't want to choose the wrong one. You're like, I don't want to waste all of this on the wrong one. I don't want just to give, I gotta watch my back, cause I'm not just anybody, right? I'm getting, yeah, everybody wants something off of you, and you're just like, no, I don't need anything from you. I don't need money, I don't need advice, I don't need beauty tips, nothing. I really just needed to make me come, and I couldn't make myself come, so I really don't even need you. Basically, I'm getting you love that. So I'm getting, what is your advice? If the man ain't more obsessed with you than you of him, let that nigga go. He's for the streets. He's for Instagram. He's for TikTok. He's for fucking Snapchat. If that guy is not more obsessed over you than you, because here's what I go. Is he like more obsessed with you and less sexually, or more obsessed with you sexually and less of you? You see, if you're more obsessed with you sexually than of you, when him not gonna call you back. You see, if you're more obsessed with you than sexually, him not gonna get nervous anytime you want to have sex with him. That is the formula we're looking for. If the man is not more obsessed with you, leave that on the streets. Tell TTC if you do not stop and take him up. You hear me tell you up, okay? What's your mentorship? Me getting them have to be more obsessed with you. That's how you want it. I would want it that way. Which one you rather be? You rather be the girl who is obsessed, oh my god, I love my man, thinking to my man, or you rather be the one who don't say shit and your man obsessed over you? I'd rather be the man obsessed over me. You want me to be obsessed over nigga? You think motherfucking Harry Tubman was wearing Prada, Balenciaga, and Chanel when she was on in her way freeing the slaves? No, fuck. Sorry, Anthony Miller. You think Harriet Tubman was wearing fucking Prada, Chanel, and motherfucking Balenciaga when she was running away in the hills on her journey to free the slaves? For freedom? No. Let's go. Harriet Tubman would not want it to be kneeling to one. Anyways, what is your mentorship? The 4 of Wands. So, housing opportunity? Is this a roommate agreement? If that's not it, I'm getting something about this house. It could be an apartment building you're gonna meet this man in, or something like that. I'm getting this beautiful home you're in. I don't know, I feel like someone is doing a heavily lot of things just to make you sleep with them. Oh, I was getting last night, somebody want you to vote for them. I'm getting somebody's running a race. Not a physical race, like a, I don't know what kind of race, but somebody need your vote. You have to kiss me first. Would you want to vote? You want to vote? What you want to vote for you? Why does my vote matter? Would my vote get you somewhere that you would not be if I did not vote? You want to vote? You have to kiss me first. You want to vote? You have to vote first. You have to for the vote. But you want to vote for you. You ain't getting to office unless I know how you looks. You should know that. So I don't know how you're going to explain this to your girlfriend, sir. You want to be a boyfriend or you want to be in media? Which one? Because you ain't getting my vote, I have to fuck you first. You have to for the vote. But you want to vote for you, but now vote for you for the vote. You have to kiss me for the vote. I'm sorry. Okay. What is your sign? Yeah, serving niggas. That's what you want to do? That's what the fuck you, this is what you want to do? The bitch? Harriet Tubman? Nanny of the Maroons? Oprah, bitch, right? So I'm getting your sign that you're on the right path. Okay, so in the lover's card, he might try to get in a bed, but you're saying no. I'm getting everything else you're okay with. So I'm getting your clothes. I'm getting with your clothes on, you're very serving. But when your clothes come off, you're challenged for getting a bed. Like just because the breast shows, just because the clothes easy to come off, it don't mean she easy to sit down on your dick. It just means easy to come off. Cause remember when as fear clothes come off, your dick timer starts as to when it go. Cause as she take it off, your own go up. So your timer start before fear one. No, I'm not saying that you should be totally mean. I'm not saying for disrespect, man, for stepping on them face. That's not what I'm saying. I don't feel like you want a submissive, dominative relationship. That's not what we're saying. I don't even think you want to be a dominatrix or submissive. But I'm getting you like the fact that you are seen as a very exclusive commodity to men. And you want to make sure, say, you choose the right one. Because I'm getting the way how you're nice and you're clean. If you go buy something for your man, TMZ, I go take it up. Oh my God. Sagittarius just bought bubble tea for her man. Me getting a some people up on your ass. So me getting you want to make sure say you're with the right one, not just anybody. Cause I'm getting it's all about you. You gotta know this. Motherfucker, I don't give a fuck if you met me and your whole motherfucking production company is your family. I don't give a fuck if you're shooting a motherfucking video or you're shooting a movie entitled How I Met Your Mother. I don't give a fuck if at the end of this motherfucking lifetime there's going to be cameras and movies that was shooting and documenting our motherfucking wedding. I don't give a if you are the one who paid the cameramen, directors, and fucking microphone person to catch a certain documentative layout on them fucking cameras so that you could catch yourself proposing to somebody. I don't care if you did all of that. I am the star of the show. I am the captain now. This is my ship. So I understand that you want to shoot a movie. I get that. It's clear. I get it. Miley Cyrus is supposed to be doing movies too. Okay? Congratulations on Zendaya. Okay? Right. I understand you want to shoot a movie. I understand the movie is about how you did meet the love of your life. I get that. Apparently, the person who you meet, yeah, them is big shit. I am the star of the movie. I don't give a fuck. You can pay the lighting, you can pay the camera, you did write the script. You're directing the movie. You're gonna tell me when the movie gonna end, when you're gonna meet this girl, when you're gonna show up our door, and fall in love and get married. I am still the star of the show. Remember that. And women, remember that. Any man you take up, and you start the fucking show. You sit down in silence, that men supposed to be pacing the fucking ground to find out how the fucking can get back your attention. And I'll always tell people, the fastest way to get a girl loyalty, the most long-term way to get a girl on your side is make them laugh. I never denied a funny nigga. I didn't meet a lot of funny niggas because funny guys, yes, funny guys will get the girls laughing, but sometimes at some point they don't like to be the class clown. They want to be taken seriously. And usually it's either other girls who make them feel like they're not taken seriously because them always joke a lot or them always tell jokes. So girls don't date you so you feel like a class clown. Or you just get really overly serious. But I'm just saying, if you can make her laugh, you probably can laugh her panties off her too. Nevertheless, all I'm trying to say is you are the star of the movie. It's like a movie. Girl, you a start the show. Baby girl, how you wine so groovy. Don't deny me like America. You love me, no want to lose it. Exactly. Adisha Palmer wrote the song. It's like a movie. And you know what him say? Him say it's like a mumbo clots. We will end the reading here. It's like a movie. Girl, you a start the show. Movie star with him. Hold on. So, sir, I'm not care if this is 11 years in the making. You're going to document how you meet this girl. You're going to document all of this thing. She had started the show. Know that. You must say wait on she for go down on one knee. In the movie where you write, right? That's your wait on. I am the captain. Know that. So let us end the ceremony with this song and then we'll finish it here. Movie. Find it, the movie. That come on. Wait. We never get it. It's like, girl, you a star the show. Baby girl, how you wine so groovy. Don't deny me like America. You love me, I want to lose it. No boy want give me the nanny, but are you alone take the music? Are you alone can't spend the music? Hey, Belle, when me a wine is a motion picture. When me a wine is a motion picture. Wind up your waist for a DJ the teacher. Exactement. So while Bell still load my fucking YouTube video, I'll just say that it's like a movie. And girl, are you a star of the show, baby girl? Oh yeah, why it's a group movie? So I don't care what kind of, how long somebody wants to bring you through this. They want to get the right shots. They want to get you in a submissive order. They want to look good on camera. Nigga, shut the fuck up. This is my movie. Now run me my motherfucking check. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.